Crazy Chef Productions. Right, today we are going to do scallops on black pudding on a sheet of streaky bacon which has been flavoured with maple syrup. But as well as that, if we can do it, we've got some lovely quails eggs. We'll have a quails egg. So we'll have quails eggs on scallop, on black pudding, on bacon. Right, I've laid out some bacon. I've just sprinkled a little bit of maple syrup over it, because I like maple syrup flavoured bacon. Black pudding, and I'm going to put it under the grill. I've pre-cracked 3 quails eggs. Be careful, I recommend you pre-crack them into a bowl because you may get a bad one, and I had a bad one, I have to throw it out. So I would recommend you actually crack the quails eggs into a bowl before you actually put them in the frying pan. I've got 6 scallops. I'm going to just season them with ground black pepper. I'll season the other side where they are actually in the pan. I'm going to fry them in olive oil for about 1 to 1.5 minutes on each side. I'm putting them in the pan clockwise so I know when to turn them in order. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. Right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, going to go back slow. See a bit of ground I want in. Right. By that sheet I'm putting the quails eggs in all in one go. Do them separately, I suppose, but I don't do them in one go. I'll just cut them up afterwards. Right. I'd recommend doing them singly, but I'm in a bit of hurry. And the non-stick's not working that well because I've ruined the frying pan. Bacon. I suppose you could have this for your breakfast. Right, black pudding. Scallop. I think something's going to come adrift here actually, but as I say, it's good food for busy people. It's not necessarily fancy food. Now I'm going to put quail eggs on top. There we go. Number 1. As I say, it's for busy people for fun. It's not. I don't know, but that's all buggered up. See, well, okay. So we've got quails eggs, black pudding, bacon, which has been flavoured with maple syrup, and scallops. So there we are. Might not be the prettiest dish, but it's better be bloody tasty when I have it.